So on the last part, what I would like to show, which I think is really powerful, is the integration with Microsoft Office. And the example I'm going to use, we have examples with Excel and Word and PowerPoint. The one I would like to show is in Outlook. So I'm going to bring up Outlook, and I have here a quote from ask for a quote from a customer. And when you implement Business Central, there's an option to turn on integration with your business Outlook inbox. And what that does is it adds these two icons to the screen. So what I'm going to show you here is when I click on Contact Insights, it's going to authenticate into Business Central. And what you're going to see is, I kind of think of this as magic. What it's doing is it's actually reading the email and utilizing business intelligence to say, hey, you just got an email from John Haddock Insurance Company. It brings up the information about that customer. So before you even send that quote out to them, you can see past due balances, what their aged AR is. Should we even be selling to this customer to begin with? So in this example, I want to see they're interested in an office remodel and a quote for some furniture. Well, I want to make sure that someone else in their organization hasn't already purchased that furniture. So I'm going to go down and look. I see I have a sales order out there already. So I'm going to drill down on that sales order to make sure that that furniture hasn't already been purchased by someone else at our customer. And lo and behold, the conference room tables already have been purchased. So knowing that information, I'm going to generate a quote for just the London swivel chairs. So I go up, I click new and do a sales quote. Next thing you'll see is some more business intelligence. It's again going to read the email and suggest what line items do I want on that sales quote. Well, I just looked up and know that these 5 conference tables are already on order. So I'm going to uncheck that, click OK. And right within Outlook, it generated a sales quote for me. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to actually go back and show you that quote 19 has been created with inside Business Central. So as we go back and I go into sales quotes, you'll see that there's quote 19 that I had generated right from Outlook. So some pretty cool stuff using business intelligence to eliminate data entry. So let's close the loop. The customer then says that we get this email that we've reviewed the quote and we'd like to order the swivel chairs. So I go ahead and I can click on new, and instead of now a sales quote, I want to generate a sales order. Again, it'll make sure authenticate into Business Central, making sure you have proper authentication and rights to be able to process this transaction. It suggests ordering, doing a sales order for 7 swivel chairs. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now you see we've generated an order for those 7 swivel chairs. Again, I'll go back to Business Central and show you that order has now been processed within Business Central. And there's our order. With 7 business chairs. So extremely powerful. I've shown, I could have taken this whole process solely through Outlook, but I've taken a sales quote, an email from a customer requesting a sales quote, create a sales quote, processed all the way through processing a sales order, all through Microsoft Outlook. the business intelligence built in, and that you're on the one Microsoft platform speeds the process and eliminates unnecessary data entry.
Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations for investing time in your education. We'd like to offer a way to continue our conversation. If any of what we presented resonates with you, please register for a 30-day trial of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The trial will provide you with an opportunity to evaluate the application using the provided sample data or your own data. To sign up, would you please click on the link below. Again, our thanks, and make it a great day.